So usually I'm talking about how to heal from betrayal. Today's message is for the betrayer. I'm not talking about the one who is just on to the next and they have no shame, regret, remorse. Not talking to you. I'm talking to the people who realized, oh my gosh, I blew up my life. I hurt and broke the heart and the trust of the person, of the people who counted on me, who believed in me, who felt safe and supported by me. I'm talking to you. If you want to rebuild your life, rebuild trust, rebuild from the hurt and devastation you caused, I have a workshop just for you. And it's September 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure you grab your spot because I am going to share with you what betrayal does, how to heal from it, and most importantly, what's your role in having that person heal, helping them manage, all the things they need to do, whether it's their managing their triggers and learning to trust again, feel safe again, learning to love again. So to the betrayer who gets it, you screwed up big time and you're ready to make it right, check the link in my bio and I'll see you at the workshop.